this year, we're actually really excited to launch a whole suite of new product solutions and also some exciting new collaborations. First and foremost, we're introducing expanding on our already existing display lineup with not only some new BRAVIA but also some new Crystal LED solutions. So on the BRAVIA side, we've got 3 new series that we're launching. We've got the BRAVIA BZ-P Series, and that comes in a 30p, 35p and a 40p. That new BRAVIA lineup comes with a host of new features. So a new chassis, slimmer profile, fits nice and tight to the wall in a lot of installations. A new uniform bezel all the way around with a new professional slick look and feel, as well as also IP5X on the 35 and 40p now as well for that dust protection on those kind of more challenging installations. With that too, we've also introduced a completely new user interface. So we're moving away from the kind of the Google OS to now Sony Wizard. So a much more professional, slick interface for integrators to use to kind of navigate their way around for those professional features and customize that setup for their customers. On top of that, we also introduced the new XR chipset. It's using AI to do a frame-by-frame mapping of that picture to optimize that for the image. It's also got a new, more efficient backlight system, so it's better utilizing the LED backlight, giving an overall kind of power performance benefit. And as well as that, we've introduced now our deep black non-glare across the range, whereas previously it was only on our 40L. We've now got that on the complete series, deep black non-glare standard and deep black non-glare premium. It's like quality without compromise. So for bright environments, these displays are now kind of perfect for those applications. When it comes to the LED, we're kind of bridging the gap between BRAVIA and LED solutions. So we've now introduced the new Crystal LED S series, which is like our mid-market offering. So 800 nits brightness, which is kind of more than enough for those kind of bright environments, paired with the new coating on that for anti-glare, slimmer profile, lighter weight, more power efficient. Can be, again, wall mounted, front serviceable, so no need to get behind. So really for integrators, we're making it as kind of easy as possible to utilize this technology in applications. And then lastly, we've got our collaboration with Ameria. So last year we showed our immersive SRD spatial reality display, which is kind of like 3D without the need for any goggles or glasses. It's kind of like an end-to-end immersive solution with added gesture control with Ameria. So complete gesture control, non-touch, which is really, really cool. Our kind of core markets are corporate, education, which is another key one for us, retail, but we're also kind of looking into other markets as well. So I mean, stadiums we've got a lot of experience with, so these displays are kind of perfect for those applications where, again, you're making sure that image quality, whether you're walking past a display, so it's all about how can the picture quality be as good as it can be from any angle. Sustainability for Sony isn't something new. We've been doing this since the 1970s. We're really setting hard targets against that to make sure that we are, as an organization, doing everything we can to do our part for the planet. We have Sorplast in our displays. The Sorplast in the displays has been improved by up to 50%, so up to now 43% Sorplast used in those displays, which is great. Power consumption on displays is also reduced by 30% across the board. So, but then when it comes to using it, so narrower displays, smaller packaging, lighter packaging, less ink on the packaging to kind of optimize that. So more per pallet, less lorries needed for transport. And when it comes to using it, as I said, that power consumption has come down. So it's the technology we use in production to make it more efficiently, transport it more efficiently, use it more efficiently, but then reuse it with those kind of those benefits there. And that's the kind of the same across the board there. The future, we've got a lot of, as I said, a lot of exciting new products that we've launched at the show, and I'm sure more to come. So yeah, it's a really exciting time for the AV market in general.